Welcome to Somfy's programming video. Somfy manufactures a variety of products for interior window coverings, awnings, and rolling shutters. This video will detail the steps involved in programming the limits for any radio technology Somfy motor, whether it be battery-powered, plug-in, or hardwired. The remote that we'll be using is the Telis single-channel RTS Pure. The same steps can be performed using any other single or 5-channel version. Now let's get started. The first step is to initiate programming. Now all motors are shipped in factory mode, which means that neither the upper or lower limits have been set. Let's refer to the limits as the shade stop position. So to initiate programming, we're going to press and hold the up and down buttons simultaneously until the shade jogs. A jog is simply a brief movement of the shade. The second step is to confirm the direction of the shade. To do this, press and hold the down button to confirm the shade is moving in the down direction. Release and the shade will stop. If this is not the case, you will need to reverse the direction of the shade. Press and hold the My button for 2 seconds until the shade jogs. The shade direction is now corrected. The third step is setting the upper limit or stop position. To do so, press and hold the up button until the shade reaches the most desired upper limit or stop position. Release the button and the shade would stop. For demonstration purposes, we are stopping the shade here. However, typically the shade would be stopped at the topmost portion of the window. Now that the desired upper limit or stop point has been set, we'll continue with this step by pressing the My and Down buttons simultaneously. Be sure to press the My button slightly before pressing the Down button. This will move the shade in a downward position so as to set the lower limit or stop point. Press the My button to stop the shade at the desired lower limit or stop position. You may adjust by pressing the up or down arrows. To set the lower limit or stop point, press the My and Up buttons simultaneously. Be sure to press the My button slightly before pressing the Up button. This will send the shade to the desired upper limit that has been previously programmed. The fifth step is confirming the upper and lower limits or stop points. To do so, press and hold the My button for 2 seconds. The shade will jog. The upper and lower limits or stop points are now confirmed. The sixth step is exiting programming mode. To do so, locate the programming button on the back of the remote control. Then, using a small screwdriver or paperclip, press and hold the button until the shade jogs. The programming is now complete. The remote may now be used to operate the shade in user mode. Now let's operate the shade. To lower the shade, press the Down button. The shade will automatically stop at the lower limit or stop point. To raise the shade, press the Up button. The shade will automatically stop at the upper limit or stop point. Should you wish to stop the shade at any point, simply press the My button to stop the shade. It's also possible to program a preferred position. In this example, I'll set the preferred position at the halfway point. To do so, I'll set the shade in motion by pressing the down arrow. I will then press the My button to stop the shade at the halfway point. Then, to set the preferred position, press and hold the My button until the shade jogs. The preferred position is now set and may be accessed at any time simply by pressing the My button. Thank you for your interest in Somfy motorized products. As you can see, programming Somfy motors is simple and just takes a few minutes. Check back for additional instructional videos regarding products such as motorized awnings, rolling shutters, and more. For more information and additional details, please visit us at www.somfysystems.com.